Alright y'all, here's the finished product. Got it put on. It looks dope. See how it sounds. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out, I forgot, I think I deleted the other video, but I got it. The exhaust I had modified. I had 3-inch spacers put in, well, spacers, exhaust extensions right there on each side because they were touching the bumper. You see what they were touching? Oh, can't see it. Oh shit. Well, anyways, because the G-Ready exhaust was actually for a 16 Q60, the different body the different body style, whatever. This one's better. I think this is dope. But it's the only 3-inch exhaust I can find. It goes from 2.5 inch from the cat to the X pipe, and it comes out 3 inches. Alright, a little demonstration on how this exhaust sounds. So y'all can just bear with me. Shut this camera down. Definitely does sound a little bit more aggressive. It gives it a throatier sound. The intake and the exhaust sounds good. I mean, the intake's supposed to give me 10 more horsepower, but I highly doubt that because I put on the exhaust. I've still got the same horsepower as bone stock fucking Q60. So I don't know what that was all about, but just like I said, I got a dyno 275 to the wheels with the exhaust. No noticeable gains. I mean, I thought it felt, I mean, you could feel whatever, maybe it's your mind playing tricks on you, but I don't know. Until I get it dyno tuned. Dyno tuned is where it's at. It changes all the parameters, the air fuel ratio, the gears, everything. So all this bolt-on stuff is just bullshit. It really doesn't matter. Alright, I'm gonna go take it for a spin and see how it sounds. Set this phone down right here. You're just gonna have to bear with me. Oh yeah, and I got it on Sport Plus mode, so just to get all the power I can get out of it. Well, at least as as they say, all the power, but I mean, shit, this motherfucker's only pushing 275 with exhaust on it. God damn. It's fucking mind blowing. Doesn't make any sense. Blow-off valves sound like they're louder. I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore, man. Guys out there in YouTube land, everybody that's done all their bolt-ons and shit on their cars, man, it really doesn't matter. I had a Genesis. I already talked about that Genesis I had before. I did every bolt-on I could think of to that thing. When I went to go get a dyno tested, it only gave me 3 more horsepower. Correction. Bigger intercooler. I put a bigger intercooler on that motherfucker. Exhaust, 3-inch downpipe. I wasted like $5,000 in upgrades, and I only got 10 horsepower from stock. That's what they told me from that place. Well, the tuner that tuned my shit. That's what he told me. That I had 10 over stock. So I had, all that money only gave me 10 more horsepower. So, man, y'all can think what y'all want to think, but I mean, it was already too late. I already ordered the short ram intakes, and then I went to go get a dyno tested. Dyno tested. I didn't get a dyno tuned. If you hear me wrong, I meant dyno, not dyno tuned. So I don't want nobody talking shit on my YouTube channel and saying that I don't know what I'm talking about. But like homeboy with the blow-off valves and shit. I mean, it has a dual valve inside of it, low and high. I mean, what the fuck else was he talking about? I don't know. This guy was just being a fucking dick on my channel. But, that's cool though. I don't notice any difference, man. I mean, I noticed the sound, it sounds different, but as in the performance-wise, I don't feel a difference in it. The exhaust sounds a little louder. It's breathing a little better. That's about it. I mean, just the exhaust tone changed, and, it sounds a little throatier. I don't notice anything in horsepower or anything like that. I'm almost tempted to go back and get another dyno just to see, for shits and giggles, just to see if it pushed out anything. It might give me maybe 4 or 5 more horsepower, maybe 5. I want to say 5 combined with the exhaust. So I might be pushing 280 horsepower. I don't know. Let me put it in manual-matic mode. really don't notice anything else. I don't notice any other difference in it. So, I mean, that's a wrap. I think I'm officially not gonna do another video until I get it dyno tuned, and then after that we'll see what happens. All right.